More money won't fix your life. And I know that sounds wrong, but by the end of this, you're going to see exactly why it's true. Because the problem was never how much you earn. It's something you don't see. Think about the last time you got a raise, or a bonus, or started making a little more than before. You felt lighter. The pressure was finally off. But then 3 months later, you checked your savings. And it was basically the same as before. Not because of some big emergency. Not because you did anything crazy. Just it was gone. Absorbed. It was never there. That's not bad luck. That's a system working exactly as designed. Here's what nobody talks about. Every time your income goes up, your spending automatically expands to match it. Your brain registers the new number as normal. Your lifestyle adjusts to fill the space. And your savings never move. Income goes up. Lifestyle goes up. Net worth stays flat. I call it the income absorption system. And once you're inside it, earning more doesn't fix anything. It just accelerates the loop. Here's why this happens. The moment your income goes up, your definition of normal changes. What used to feel expensive starts feeling reasonable. What used to feel like a luxury starts feeling deserved. And because the change happens gradually, you rarely notice it. That's why earning more often feels so disappointing. The number changes, but your financial progress doesn't. This is why even high earners feel stuck, and it goes deeper than numbers. Your identity expands with your income too. You don't just feel richer, you start upgrading the version of yourself you think you should be. The version that takes cabs, orders the better wine, gets the nicer apartment because honestly you work hard enough. None of that feels like lifestyle creep. It feels like self-respect. That's exactly why the system stays invisible. And then your fixed costs lock it in. A nicer apartment, a car payment, subscriptions you forgot you had. These aren't flexible. They're anchors. And anchors don't move when money gets tight. So every month your baseline is higher before you even make a choice, before you even get to saving. The gap between income and expenses stays narrow, no matter how much you earn. This is why people can double their income and still feel exactly the same. The number changed, the system didn't. So what's the fix? Not budgeting, not discipline, not earning more. You need to see the system, because the system only works when it's invisible. The moment you name it, it loses power. You start catching yourself in real time. Oh, my income went up. I'm about to expand my lifestyle automatically. I'm doing the thing. That awareness is everything. And one practical shift that actually works. The next time your income increases, do nothing for 60 days. Don't upgrade anything. Don't adjust anything. Just let the extra money sit. 60 days later, you'll have savings that actually move. Right now, there is a machine running on autopilot underneath your life, quietly, making sure every raise, every bonus, every extra dollar gets absorbed before it can change anything. It doesn't need your permission. It only needs you to keep believing that more income is the answer. The moment you see the system, the loop breaks. And that's when your money finally gets the chance to stay.